Hi guys, so we're back with the Louise Stack 'em Up palettes, and we're going in with this Smoney Tones palette. This is a beautiful stunning pink one. I'm just going in with the darkest shade here, which is called No Limits, and again guys, I'm just placing this down in the sort of outer corners of my eyes, and I'm also just going in with a little bit of the pink shade called Interest here, and I'm just blending these two shades together, not being particularly neat. I'm just being a little bit messy with this, as you guys know my sort of technique by now. Just going in with the shade Investment, which is a stunning light pink shade. I'm just kind of blending that just above that darker shade. There was a little bit of kickback with this eyeshadow, powdery to be fair, but still a really nice shade. But I did have to go back in and darken up the outer sort of corners here. So I just went in with the shade No Limits again and started blending that out. Also, please excuse if I sound a little bit husky. I have had a bit of a sore throat. It's been 2 weeks, but we're still trying to recover. I'm just doing the Vaseline method here, where I'm just like removing this little part of makeup, and I'm doing like a kind of rounded sort of cut crease here, but I just wanted like the dark colours on the outer edge. Not too sure the actual name of it, but that is the kind of look that we're going for. Then I'm just going in with a little bit of the Louise base here in shade Rumor 02, and I'm just sort of doing that kind of cut crease. I'm just going in with this foily shade, which is Profit, and it's absolutely stunning. It's actually like a goldy pink sort of reflex, more kind of gold, but it really did tie this look in, and it just made it so sparkly and shimmery and beautiful. It was stunning, and I definitely preferred using my fingers with these foils, just because it picked up the product a lot more better. I then just went into the sort of inner corner with the other pigment in this palette, which is called Dollar Sign, and it's more of a sort of pinky gold sort of reflex, but more sort of shimmery than the previous colour, but it's just absolutely beautiful. Just going in with the colour Investment and just smoking out a little bit. I just wanted the outer edge to be nice and dark and smoky, and the lids to be nice and sparkly and glittery. Moving on to the skin now, and I'm just going to go in with this Catrice True Skin Foundation. Just going in with the Relove Revolution Primer as well. This was actually the first time that I'd used this foundation, and honestly I didn't quite know what to expect with it, and it dried super quickly. And if you have dry skin, this probably is not going to be a foundation for you, but I have quite combination skin, so it's not too much of an issue to be fair, but I was quite surprised at how quickly this dried. It's a really nice foundation. I'm just going in with my Peaches setting powder. This one is just in the universal shade, and the super matte powder by Relove Revolution. These are all super affordable guys. I will leave it all linked for you. Just moving back to the eyes very quickly, we're just going to smoke out that bottom lash line, and we're just going to head here and we're using the shade Smoney Tones. Now I'm just going in with the Last Sensational mascara by Mcvey, and I'm just applying some mascara. Then I'm just going to apply some falsies, and I'm also going in with a little bit of this eyeliner in my waterline. This is just I think it's Piece of Me by Marc Jacobs. I'm now just going to go in with a little bit of the shade Dollar Sign, which is that sort of iridescent pink shade, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner. Just going to go ahead and bronze up the rest of my face with my usual bronzer. Also just going in with a little bit of this highlighter by Soph. This is one of her new highlighters. It's absolutely beautiful. Going in with a little bit of this just to add a little bit of glow to my face. And I'm going in with a punchline, lip liner, and I believe it's an Essence lipstick in the buff, I believe. I'm not too sure, I can't quite remember, but I will have the proper one linked. I'm also just going in with this little lip gloss as well from e.l.f. Just finishing it off with a little bit of blusher, and I did actually forget to do my last little posy bit, but here is some pictures of the final result. I hope you guys do like it. If you do recreate, please do tag me, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!